Rich ass niggas with a mouth full of gold. Yeah, y'all seen the boy. This nigga Curtis. It's nice though. And this bitch nice. Yeah, I did it like that. This nigga wildin'. Y'all about to watch this nigga peel out or some shit. This nigga stupid like that. I wanna see it happen. What up, Chris? What up, boy? That bitch nice. This nigga burning out on this nigga shit. This nigga burning out on this nigga shit. This nigga burning out on this nigga shit. Nice. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I got your ass on camera. Nigga, you know this video gonna tape you the whole time.
What?
Yeah, you dumbass nigga, you burning out these niggas shit. I look at granddad burning out a nigga shit too.